Baby. Baby? I don't know, guys.
Can you show it?
Wait
Can
lang,
you show it?
wait
Can
lang.
you show it to first?
Hello, guys.
What is that?
This is a
A pregnancy test.
Huh?
Pregnancy test.
This is a
What does it mean to have 2 lines?
It means I'm having a baby now.
Baby, what do you want?
And I think I wanted to be a baby. I'm so shocked.
Why?
Because you're so pregnant. You love your baby more than me, no?
No, I will love you equally.
Nanay, how do you know there's a baby?
Ito nga, what is this?
This is a
Test. How many lines can you see?
2.
It means?
It means you're pregnant. My mom is having a baby na.
What do you want? Baby brother or baby sister?
Baby sister. No, brother, I think. I don't know.
Why don't you know?
Are you making me cake?
No. Not yet. Small pa si baby.
Huh?
Small pa.
Yung sex na bata, alam mo na.
Hindi pa, Dok. Kaya kinakabahan
Gusto
ako.
mo nang malaman.
Pwede, Dok.
Gusto nang malaman.
Yes, Doc.
Lalaki.
Lalaki, Doc. Oh my gosh.
There. There, nakikita mo?
Oo, Doc. Ang laki rin.
There, diba? Buto ng hita ito. Hita, yung isa pa. Ayan, yung
nasa
hita.
gitna, Doc.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Oh, diba matulis?
Ha?
There. Oh, diba?
Yes, Doc.
Yung face, ma'am. Side view.
You wait po. Are you excited ba?
Yeah.
For the baby?
Yeah.
Super excited? To be a kuya?
Wait.
Rhea, did you hear? The gender? What's the gender? What's the gender? You repeat it again, Tatay. You repeat. You repeat, Tatay. What is lalaki?
Boy? We're having a boy? Why are we having a boy?
Don't you like it? You will have a playmate.
What?
We will have a basketball team.
Parang gusto ko ng girl.
Oh, if you have a boy, you have a best friend na.
Gusto ko. But it's a girl, I mean a boy. Why is
God gave us boy. You will have a best friend. Nakikita niya na lang eh. Oh, wait lang. Nagpapagsulat siya.
Buti pinapasok dito yan sa Aya.
Pwede naman daw po do. Basta naka-face shield po.
Okay. Let's see. Pataas ka kaya konti.
Sige lang.
Ayan, sorry.
Here ah.
Lamig ah. Kalamig ah. There.
Did you know that machine can scan X heartbeat.
Heartbeat.
160 lalaki nga talaga to.
Wow.
That's the heartbeat.
That's the heartbeat of your baby, of your adding.
Sao, sao, suka. I love you, baby. Let's feel the kick. Oh my gosh, I can just feel it. Oh, how hard. Sao, sao, suka. I love you, baby. Love you. Memories.
Ayan o.
Good job, baby. Good job. More. More. Good job.
Sige, talk mo.
Okay, baby. So, do you love me? Kick if you love me.
He's kicking naman inside eh.
Are you kicking? Kick, baby, kick. Do you love me?
Of
If
course.
you love me, kick.
You tell her, ito yung stories.
Baby, you want to patrol anywhere, like in the Disneyland or in the beach, anywhere, even in the water park. You want to go? Even in Legoland? You want to go? Ding 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 ding. So hot.
Are you excited
So
to see
hot.
baby?
Yeah, so hot.
So in just a few hours, you will see baby. And Tatay will continue the video later. Love you, anak. Love you, Kuya Aya.
Sir, saan ang Obi Ward? Paparada na rin at i-admit na sir eh. Thank you.
We're here at the Salyuna. Pa-admit na tayo, my God. Are you ready, Eddie? Konti na lang. Push ka na. Hey, Tatay. Konti na lang.
Humihilog na po ba?
Nangingigas po. Pero hindi ko alam eh, kasi first baby sa hospital na ako in-induce, kaya iba yung hilab doon.
Opo.
Ito parang first time, lahat wala pa naman. Ellie, let's make it fast now. Para mamaya lasing tayo. Kuya Ay is excited.
Hello guys, andito na kami ngayon. Naka-private room kami. Kasi hinihintay namin si baby bunso na lumabas. Hindi pa masyadong nagle-labor pero nasa 5 to 6 cm na eh. Ito, tignan natin kung paano mag-exercise si nanay. Marami baby bunso. Wag naman ganyan na. Bakit ganun mag-exercise? Lakad-lakad lang. Yung pani pag nakita to ni baby, lagot ko sa kanya. Oo. Magsasabay pa kayo ni B. Shoutout sa'yo, paring Kong. Tsaka kay baby Kidlat. Magka-birthday sila ni Ellie. Ayan si Doc.
Ano to eh, panggabi kasi talaga yung duty na tong batang to eh. Di ba? Sa gabi rin siya active, so feeling ko gabi rin siya talaga lala.
Okay. Tapos iba na yung lapit na. Ganyan mo lang. Heartbeat niya. Okay.
Hi,
Tapos,
Another boy. Maputing boy.
Ako po. Okay.
Sa other side.
Si Doktora hinintay, lumabas na.
Sabi niya, dito na si Doc. Labas na.
Saktong-sakto. Ayusin natin yung legs mo.
Sige po.
Galing ni Maima talaga. Very good.
Hirap talaga.
Nasa to.
Naklay. Iba paano yung babae?
Pag ganito katagal yung labor, ayoko na.
Oh, ayun na, doon ka na.
Hello, Ellie. Ellie. Good boy yun na.
My sentence is 3 years 6 months, so I raised up 2 years.
God bless you.
So I will be releasing next year July.
When I was a boy, send me the waterman come to bring in sugar and tea and rum. One day when the target is done, we'll take a lead and go. She learned the weeks from Charlemagne, blow up and went gone. When we go to shore, they go to Coconut Island. He's trying to open his eyes. Oh, you're in the hole.
Order in the hole.
I mean, order in the court. Bakit?
Not this one.
Bakit? I find guilty. Go, boys. Even cheap. You're guilty. Oh, you're guilty. For sneezing too hard. You're guilty. You're guilty. You're guilty. Order in the hole. Order in the hole. Oh yeah, that's now yung rubber hammer, yung may squeaky. Let's play order in the hole.
In the hole.
Order in the court. You.